Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on REALME Narzo 60. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search and now click install. And now you have to click open. And here click skip introduction. Now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. And now you have to sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge is now all set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.